What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. The market is actually recovering a little. That's good to see. But Bitcoin is still tanking. Bitcoin got to as low as 20,800. Guys, at this point in time, looks like we're going to touch the previous all-time high. Only time we tell. Ethereum currently is trading for 1,200. It got to as low as $1,080. Chaos in the market. All coins are dumping, but it looks as if the bottom is in. We'll be talking about new stories happening in the crypto world. We'll also be dissecting where is the Bitcoin bottom, how long do we have to wait if we're in the bear market. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, we have a red day in the crypto markets today. We have one or two coins here and there that are actually pumping. You hear HNT up 14%, TTT is up 20%, and XTN dumped over 90% and pumped. Bitcoin store value is up 10%. It's good to see. Little recovery in the crypto market, but guys, a lot of people are still dumping. We're hearing rumors that a lot of funds are actually blowing up. The Celsius news is still hot. Now we're hearing news that 3AC might actually have gotten liquidated. And you can see that right here at the bottom, there's a lot of volume. The last time we had this capitulation candle, this was on the 11th of May, 2022. Bitcoin actually got to as low as $25,000. Guys, I told you guys I was still expecting Bitcoin to go lower. So Bitcoin was just ranging. We ranged here for almost a month. And finally, we dumped. This is the same thing that happened in 2018, guys. In 2019, let me show you guys what happened in 2019 before. Bitcoin had a whopping 50% dump. In 2019, Bitcoin was ranging for months and months and months, and a lot of people thought, oh, the bottom is in already. But Bitcoin had different ideas, and what did Bitcoin do? Bitcoin dumped over 50%. Is that the same thing that's going to happen right now? Guys, this is what I was talking about. In 2019, this is what happened to Bitcoin. Bitcoin was ranging. A lot of people just got bored with Bitcoin. A lot of people were buying the dip, and then Bitcoin finally dumped. It dumped another 50%. If history repeats itself and Bitcoin will dump 50% after ranging, guys, we might see Bitcoin trading probably as low as 15,000, maybe 14,000. Guys, this rainbow is actually showing us that Bitcoin is basically at a place where you can buy. The previous time that Bitcoin has been in this point on the rainbow has always been a good time to buy. And this rainbow has been fairly accurate in its predictions. But you can see that we didn't reach the top of the rainbow right here. The top of the rainbow was telling us that we should have gotten into over 100,000 by 4th of April 2021. We didn't get there and we dumped. People are hoping for 100k. Bitcoin got only as high as 69,000 and down. Bitcoin is basically a fire sale. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, are you getting some Bitcoin for yourself, or do you want to wait for lower prices? I myself am waiting for lower prices. I'm not telling you what to do, guys. Bitcoin can actually just turn tomorrow and start pumping to the moon. The best way to actually invest is to dollar cost average, but the macro environment is not safe for investing right now. The Feds are saying they'll be increasing interest rates. Funds are blowing up. It looks as if we're in a bear market. Sentiment in the market is still extreme fear, guys. Crypto fear and greed index is showing that we're in 8. This is probably the second lowest figure ever. We got to 9 on the 11th of, we actually got to 8 on the 17th of May 2022. So this is probably tied for the second all-time lowest. And maybe tomorrow we'll probably go to like 5 because Bitcoin actually dumped again today. Ethereum is trading for 1,200. But guys, it just looks as safe. It's ranging before it goes for the final puke below $1,000. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think Ethereum can go below $1,000, or do you think this is the bottom? Because Bitcoin and Ethereum are actually showing as if they're probably at the bottom. But guys, the way things are set up right now, any bounce will probably be for exit liquidity. Bitcoin dominance is currently falling, which is actually good for all coins. At least some altcoins can break, because guys, as Bitcoin dominance was going parabolic, guess what? Altcoins were tanking harder. So right now, as Bitcoin dominance is decreasing and all coins are actually not pumping, at least we know they're not tanking as hard. So if Bitcoin is stable, all coins are stable. There's a little balance in the market. Bitcoin dominance is currently at 46%, and 46% has proven to be a good region. You can see that in October, Bitcoin was around 69,000 and Bitcoin dominance was around 46%. So we are still in line. A lot of the altcoins have done pretty hard. But guys, if you put Bitcoin on a 3-day time frame, you notice that the 200 3-day moving average, anytime Bitcoin goes below it, that's a very, very good time to buy. History has shown that this has always been a good time to buy Bitcoin. Will this time be different? And many people say this time will be different, but guys, I don't believe this time will be different. I believe the bottom is almost in. We'll soon get to the bottom. Only time will tell if I'm right or if I'm wrong. Bitcoin has support at 23,000, but analysts warn of their drop to 8K as global debt unwind. Damn, Bitcoin is currently at 22,000. Bitcoin already touched 20,800. So maybe the next place we might be going to 13,300, guys. You see, I was telling you guys that I just think Bitcoin will give everybody the max pain, and max pain probably be 15,000. I don't think it will get to $13,000. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think it will get that low? Some people are actually predicting $8,000 for Bitcoin. Crazy. Coinbase slash staff by 18% amidst bear market. Coinbase actually letting go of over 1,100 staff. Crazy. And they just had some issues some few days back where some staffs were complaining on Reddit, and the CEO came on Twitter and was lambasting them. Anyway, 99% of the company has important work to do, so if you can stop distracting us, that would be great. We'll get back to building cool stuff. If you're unhappy about something, work as part of the team to raise that along with proposed solution. It's easy to be a critic, harder to be part of the solution. If you can't do that, you are going to leak hash rant externally, then quit. Thanks. And the next day after that, they sacked over 1,250 employees. On the other hand, Binance is making mad moves. It looks like Binance have been waiting for the bear market because they're making moves. They just actually enter a partnership with Splyt, and they're offering rehailing service. And I actually saw Binance actually helping a country with identification. They use NFTs and all. Binance actually making mad moves in the bear market. EU Commissioner reiterates needs for regulating all of crypto assets. Guys, I warned you that this was going to come. Right now, they're talking about regulating after the UST situation, Lunar UST situation. Now we're hearing about the Celsius situation. Looks like regulation is coming very soon. The days of having 10,000%, 2,000% probably will soon be over, because, guys, the more Bitcoin and crypto go mainstream, the less the profit potential in the future. Ethereum crashed by 94% in 2018. Will history repeat itself with Ethereum price bottoming at $375? Can you believe that, guys? People are predicting Ethereum might go as low as $375. If Ethereum drops from where it is right now to $375, Ethereum would have dropped around 70, 80%. Guys, do you think that's possible? Everything is possible in crypto. We saw Terra Luna actually crash to near zero, so don't say it's not possible. Everything is possible, but only time will tell if this guy is right, because you know what we're doing right here is just predicting the future. Nobody can accurately predict the future. Yes, if 1,000 people predict the future, there will be somebody that will get it right, but in the end, only time will tell. SEC chair warns about too good to be true return amidst market downtown. They should have warned people earlier. People have lost so much money with Terra Luna. A lot of people have their funds in Celsius right now. They cannot actually take out the funds. They cannot pay for their loan. It's a chaotic situation right now, but that's what happens at the bottom of the bear market. You get all these news articles that will give you fear, putting fear in people so that people will not buy crypto. But guys, after when we go back to greed, you look back at this time and wonder, why didn't I get some crypto? Because nothing issue, MicroStrategy CEO plans to hodl Bitcoin through adversity. A lot of people have been talking about Michael Saylor's liquidation point, saying he might actually get liquidated. But guys, Michael Saylor's liquidation point is 3,500, and he says if Bitcoin gets to that level, he's not still selling. He has been a big bull on Bitcoin. He actually predicted a $1 million per coin price prediction. Do you think he'll get it right? Do you think that's possible? El Salvador, another country that has been a heavy Bitcoin supporter, has suffered huge losses. A finance minister came out to say that the losses are not actually that big, that Bitcoin's investment represents less than 0.5% of their losses on their balance sheet. So, I mean, they're trying to say it didn't really affect them, but if they're saying it, that means it did. Bitcoin price crashed to 20,800 as Deadly Candle liquidates $1.2 billion. Guys, why are people always over-leveraging themselves? Every day we hear about people getting liquidated. I myself have gotten liquidated huge sums of money. Right now, $1.2 billion have been liquidated as Bitcoin dropped to 20,800. Guys, do you think more people will get liquidated? We've been hearing news of Celsius getting liquidated. They have been reducing their liquidation price, and they have been sending collateral. Imagine, Celsius that borrow people money actually borrowed money too from other people. Celsius liquidate people, and they actually were at the risk of getting liquidated. But right now, it looks as if they have solved that situation. Binance Australia CEO regulation will establish higher standards in crypto, and I actually believe that Ripple counsel slams SEC for trying to bulldoze and bankrupt crypto. The fight between SEC and Ripple is still on. Who will win? XRP holders are waiting. We want to get a final decision very soon. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is unchanged in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is still at number 1. Dogecoin is still at number 10. Guys, we're still in Bitcoin season. Guys, very, very importantly, the altcoin season index just poked above Bitcoin season right now. It's not altcoin season, but we're not being Bitcoin season. Are we just getting faked out? Are we going to go back to altcoin season? Only time we tell right now, but right now we're just above Bitcoin season. Guys, drop a thought in the comment section. Tell me, will Bitcoin hold this level, or are we going to gobbling town? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.